Oh my god, this looks so cute! So today we're gonna try out SHEGLAM Products, and we're gonna try out their new cushion foundation. Without further ado, cue the music!
It's the other Huda, not the one you knew to. She's here to share reviews, perhaps a laugh or two to.
Hello everyone! I did it again! Oops, I did it again. So I got some stuff from SHEGLAM. Actually, this is my most affordable review thus far. This cost me only $34. My sinuses are killing me today. The air conditioning got to me, and my nose and my eyes are all red. I need some eye drops. Clear my eyes up. Now they're all bright. So let's open this up and see what we got. I haven't actually tried anything from SHEGLAM. Open. I think half my channel is me struggling to open packages. Somebody would see you watching this channel and be like, what are you watching?
I'm watching this lady. She's struggling to open packages. This lady, look, she's interesting.
Actually, it's really packaged really well. See? Look at that. It's like in a foam. SHEGLAM. She fancy. It's like everything is individually wrapped really well. Like some high-end makeup products, brands don't even pack like this. I'm kind of impressed. So yeah, this is what I got. I got some blush, liquid bronzer, the new cushion foundation. We're gonna try this out. This is what I was excited to try out. Then I got eyeshadow, and then eyebrow pencil, and matte eyeliner. Let's get started. So I got the cushion foundation in the color mahogany. Actually, there was a pretty good shade range. This is my guesstimation of this might be my shade from looking at the website. Lasts for 48 hours and it's waterproof, long-lasting foundation. So let's open it up and see it together if it's as good as it says. 1, 2, 3. See, it's really packaged really well. Ooh, look at that packaging. There's like a little dent you can see in the packaging. Looks kind of fancy actually. SHEGLAM, I've been noticing like their new makeup is starting to look like expensive, high-end makeup. Not bad. Not bad at all. Let's open it. 1, 2, 3. Ta-da! Ooh, it comes with a puff. You got your mirror. Let's just open it up and see our color, if we got the shade match right. I think that's about right actually. Let me just press that into. That's my shade! SHEGLAM? SHEGLAM wasn't playing. Okay, we're gonna pat. Oh. Oh. Okay, I'm impressed actually. I can't believe my eyes. Wow, that was one swap. Let's do the other side. That's really nice. Feels very good. It feels very light actually. It's very lightweight, easy to put on. I have no complaints. Not bad, SHEGLAM.
Good job.
This will be my new cushion puff for my bag. Now we're going to try out our bronzer. This is in the color Earthy Sepia. I've seen like SHEGLAM's old packaging and I'm like looking at the new packaging for SHEGLAM. It looks pretty fancy actually. SHEGLAM wasn't playing. Let's get that bronzer. Yeah, the bronzer actually not bad. I'm using my new favorite brush from BK Beauty. I love it. It's just perfect for contouring. I like this a lot. It's gonna get I like an extra pouty lips. I'm gonna take the foundation, get a little bit of it. I love it. Yeah. So we'll do our eyebrows with the Better Brow Long Lasting Eyebrow Pencil. I always like trying out new products, actually. It's kind of like trying out new ingredients, right? You're like, ooh, if I put it together like this will give me a different results. That's why I like to do my makeup and take my time and just have fun. Oh, yeah, see, the packaging is actually very nice for SHEGLAM. I thought it'd be like cheap looking, but it looks pretty good. So I got this in the color chocolate. So you got your spoolie and you got your brow pencil part. It's fun, actually. Just do a simple brow. Ooh. So thin that you can just draw on little hairs. Yeah, I think this might be my new favorite brow pencil. Not bad. Just look at it. Easily thin strokes. Not bad. Now that we have our eyebrows done, we're going to do our blush. Oh, I got the Twilight Saga blush, the Forbidden Love liquid blush in the color Vitality. If you guys are a fan of Twilight, drop it in the comments below. Oh my god, I remember actually when the first Twilight came out. I wasn't like a huge fan per se. My best friend in high school was obsessed with Twilight. And she really loved like Rob Patterson. She was like, oh my god! Like she was so obsessed with the Twilight Saga. So I kind of went and watched the movies with her, and I love, to be honest, vampire stories. I think they're interesting and weird and spooky. It's just absurd. The absurdity of vampire films makes me like love the vampire genre. So yeah, it was a fun movie to watch. You know, I was like,
He's a creep. I don't know why you like him. His character's so creepy. He's like watching her.
I don't know. I don't get the appeal. Was I the weird one? I didn't get the appeal of when Twilight came out. I don't know why. Were there many big teen movies at that time? I think that's probably another thing. Like, you don't really get those teen movies anymore, right? I feel like there's no teen movies right now, like for young teenagers today. I mean, I think probably the last big teen movie I think would be Twilight. Correct me if I'm wrong. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. Well, if I'm wrong, you just say,
hello? Take your phone and Google it.
You could ask ChatGPT actually. Let's ask ChatGPT actually. Why not? Hey Chat, has there been like a huge teen movie since Twilight? Big teen movies, they're like Love, Simon, The Kissing Booth, The Fault in Our Stars. There wasn't that crazy phenomenon since Twilight, you know? Why not? There should be like a crazy fun movie that everybody's like going mad about, and the guy, everybody loves him, and he's like, to be honest, I love movies that get you in that hype. Like we had Barbie last year with Barbenheimer. That was really fun. I definitely was like, ooh, why not? Let's all dress up. So me and my sisters, we all got dressed up, pretty in pink, and go out and watch a movie. It's fun. Yeah, so let's try out the Twilight book. Look at it. It's so beautiful and red. Blood red. I like a good red blush. I hope this shows up on my skin. So we're just gonna put, ooh. Okay, this is gonna look nice because it's like a muted red. This will look really good. Okay, we're just gonna get our brush. Yeah. Get a little bit on our eyelids. I like to get a little cohesive. It's nice. When we want to add more color, we can, I guess, definitely add more, but I think a little, just a little. It's never enough blush for me. I really love. Yeah, I love it. So cute. It's just like simple chef's kiss. I have nothing bad to say about SHEGLAM. Thought I was gonna say, oh yeah, it's a cheap makeup and it's Because to be honest, I'm not against affordable makeup. In fact, it's great that we have so many options. We have affordable options. Everything's getting really expensive. It's like we're all getting punched in the face with this economy. I feel like companies are taking advantage of the inflation. I'm like, are these really inflation prices? This is like 100 times more expensive. Some of the products are crazy expensive compared to just a few years ago. I see right now with me buying groceries, I'm like, the amount of groceries I buy with $250 compared to just a few years ago for a huge family, for like a family of 8, for instance. We used to buy a lot of products, a lot of groceries, and now it's like I'm walking out with like 10 items. It's really ridiculous. It's gone ridiculous, I'm gonna have to say. I pray we get through this dark ages, really. That's how it's feeling right now. I guess have fun with a little bit of makeup, shop responsibly and within your means. And finding good products that are within that price range is always nice. It's always great. So I actually commend SHEGLAM for their pricing. It's very good. So far, I'm loving actually the products, and I would wear this, and I believe it could compete with high-end makeup. I've got no complaints thus far. Now we're gonna try out the Easy Glide Matte Eyeliner. Ooh, it looks like a lipstick. Interesting. Let's just open it up. Ooh, it is like a lipstick. It's like a black lipstick. To be honest, this reminds me of like that old school kohl eyeliners. We'll just try it out. This is how my mom taught me to put on my eyeliners. Like, close your eyes. But of course, you know, it's not quite perfect. You miss certain areas. Not bad. It's coming out like really dark. A little bit of a wing. I can't believe this is not bad. Let's do a little bit on top. To be honest, it's easy to use. It's just gliding. Very easy to use. Now we're gonna try out our Air Glow Eye Tint from SHEGLAM. She is glamming. She's giving it. This is in the color Cloud 9, I believe is the color. Yes, Cloud 9. Let's see. Ooh, so sparkly. Looks beautiful, actually. The packaging is, I'm impressed. I'm very impressed. This really cost me only like $35. I can't really say anything bad about it. So we're just going to swatch. Yeah, it's giving like Y2K. Actually, let's see, use it as a highlight as well. I didn't get any mascara because I kind of have too much mascara in my opinion. And I'm sure their mascara is good, but I'll use my favorite mascara, which is the Clio Kill Lash 4 mascara. A little bit in the corner. Okay, I think we had something for our lips, right? Ah, yes. I didn't get a lip product because I had something. Oh yeah, right. I do have a Shein lip dazzlers that I've reviewed before that I really love. So I'll use that in the color Red Carpet. I wonder if I mix both the shimmers, how would it look? So we're gonna put on the lip gloss so we can put our shimmer. It's like a lip gloss blue. So we got it in the Center Stage, Lip Dazzler, and the Red Carpet. So I'm gonna put some Red Carpet with some Center Stage. And use that as, let's just try it. I feel like my finger is easier to use than the I love it. This is so sparkly. But maybe let's do like a darker lip liner. I think that's what it's missing. I have a feeling. I have a feeling. I'll use this one from Romand. It's in the color Plum Burgundy. If the color's too bright, nothing like a good lip liner can't fix. Looks sparkly. Oh my god, this looks so cute! We're going to... I think I'll add some earrings. Just hold up.
5 minutes later.
Okay, we're just gonna add some basic hoops that I got from Shein. Now our look is complete. You know what? I like this actually. Not bad. Not bad at all. My absolute favorites are the cushion foundation and the blush. I love these two. The bronzer is also pretty good. Excellent, pretty good, and alright. That's how I classified it. Excellent, pretty good, and alright. To be honest, it was all pretty good. Actually, I really like this. So comment what you liked. If you want me to try anything else out, if you're like, do this specific look, do this specific brand, get this, try out this brand or that brand or whatever, let me know in the comments and we'll see if it's within my budget. Until next time, toodles!
She's here to share reviews, perhaps a laugh or two.